Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to install Google Maps on HUAWEI Nova 13. Let's begin. You could just go to App Gallery and search for Google Maps here. However, there is a simple issue. This is not exactly the safest option. As you can see, the download is provided by third-party applications. And if we scroll down and just read our disclaimer, it's not really official way to download it, since it just is based on our search result, and the App Gallery is not responsible for any content, meaning that you could easily get scammed. Though people don't worry about that specifically, they worry about their information, their valuable data, etc, etc. So instead, of course, you can just easily hit download here. Like I'm not judging. You could easily just do this right here. However, I'm going to show you a different way, and it's with using GSpace, because as you probably know, almost all Google-rated services are banned on Huawei phones, and you can skip this using GSpace. And if you're wondering what GSpace is exactly and how to download it and how to use it, we have a tutorial on that. I believe it's called How to Install Google Play Store on HUAWEI Nova 13. But it is called How to Install Google Play Store. After we open our GSpace, after we open the Play Store, we can just search for Google Maps, hit install, and here we are going to hit install, and then we can simply hit open. And as you can see, our Google Maps are opening, though as you can see they are not exactly maps, because if we try to search for anything here, as you can see, we don't have any Google Maps. We only have like Beetle Maps, and I'm not even asking what that is. And the maps that we have right here are basically a copy made with GSpace, as it's basically a hosting service that hosts these Google services via cloud. And that's all you have to do. And that's also everything for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.